Hi, I'm Doug from Green Control, and if you're going to replace the pin on your Pathfinder XC, it looks like this if you purchased it, and it's going to go into this shaft right here, this shaft. Of course, this is off the machine. It's got two holes here. The top one is the impeller that you want to use for the Pathfinder. I think both of them are probably going to be better to use this one. This is your pin right here for the agitator, so it's going to sit on the machine like this, right like that. So it's hard to do or see where it goes, but if you look real closely right here, I'll point to it, you see the bottom hole. You can barely see it, and it's half uncovered from the impeller. Hopefully you can see that I'm pointing to it and tapping at it. And it's right in line with the one above it, so it's easy to find that way. Sometimes this pin will get broken off inside, but it should be easy for you to hold it like this and drive it in and push it to the side, and then you should be able to latch it down like it shows right there. Thanks for watching. This is Doug from Green Control.